Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode in this Horror Engine Reloaded and Character Interaction Templates Merging series. So in this episode, I'm going to work on this. So when I press right mouse button, so now the left hand is also properly placed on the pistol. So in the last time we had some issue that hand is off the gun, the left hand is not properly on the gun. So that's what I'm going to fix today. And this episode is sponsored by this generous patron, Albert DX. Okay, in the current implementation, when I I can equip a handgun from like that, and if I right click, as you can see, the character's hand is wrong definitely, and but the next thing I want to implement is, yeah, maybe let's change the camera towards the now let's work on the hand eye first, and after that let's make the camera switch to the over the shoulder position so that the character can aim properly. Alright, so for that, let's first open the character and then let's open this animation blueprint. I want to see how they have implemented the aiming part. Aim transition. Let's look at in the anim graph. Shooting, blend poses variable. This is about reloading and shooting. Where's the aiming animation? Let's look at the base. Here we have an aim part. Okay, oh, here we have the aim offset. Right, now where is the part where the left hand moves to the gun location? So I found that this is the original aim offset for the character, and there the hands are like this, and this is the retargeted skeleton. So as of the current settings, the hands are like this, and we need to bring them together. So let's see if we can resolve the issue by, so at the moment they are like this clavicle R and clavicle L is this positions after and after those positions we have the left hand bones and right hand bones. So I'm in the skeleton tree. If you don't have these retargeting options, go to options and show retargeting options. Alright, now then let's right click here and try some other options. So here, as you can see, well, hands are not together, they are off. So let's try now it's skeleton. What if I set this to animation? They do come closer, but as you can see here, the hands are deformed, so that's wrong. What I can do about that? But the hands did come a little closer than before. But if I try this one, nothing changed, nothing changed, nothing changed. So actually in this skeleton retargeting, the hands look natural, but they are off. Okay, how can I fix this? Let's consider this point so it's easier. Okay, so actually this, maybe this can be solved with the IK. Here we do have a IKN for the left hand. So shall we take a look here? Okay, so we can see what's happening when the character is aiming. If I just disconnect this and make it true. Now, okay, actually the left hand is going there. Alright, so now we need to okay, maybe what are the variables we have here? State. When do we go to the aim in state? Let's see. Goes to aim in state when aim is aim is true. So I'll set is aim to true. Right. And now the character is in aiming mode. So how do we change this handle location? Okay, maybe this is where we need to change. Is it in parent bond space? Okay. So weapon anim type one hand. Okay, so let's, for the one hand, this is the one. For the one-handed weapon, select this node. Shall we break this for a second? Okay, now this is when the effector location is 0. I think I got some controls there. Oh, okay. Yeah, also we need to set this one to true in order to get this end effect. Yeah, now as I can see, for the one hand. Okay, what's this? Is this okay? Let me disable this first. So let's see which weapon. Okay, one hand weapon, that's what I'm getting now. Was it the default one? Yeah, okay. And this, let's just change this. Did anything change? No. Okay, let me break this and change it a little bit. Okay, now I can do some changes. Oh, so the hand bends in an awkward manner. That's not good. So we can control the direction of the hand bends using this one. This is the joint target location. Yeah, if I set it like this, it bends in the correct way. Okay, now I'll control this to get to the correct position. It should be like this. Now this value is 2.8 minus 8.66. Okay, now I should use that value here. This is only to find the proper values. Now connect it back and wait, is it correct still or not? Well, it seems not. Let me find it again. 2.8 minus 8.22 and 5.9. Now is it correct? It seems like correct here. Should be like this, right? Yeah. Let's see it in the top perspective. Okay, let's see it in the right perspective. Seems alright. And the front, I guess that's alright. Okay, so these are the value 3.19 and 8 point. Okay, now I'll connect it back and compile again. Okay, that's enough. And compile again, and then set this is same to false because that's the original value. Right, now let's see. Let's quickly run and equip the handgun. Alright, now if I aim, okay, the character holds the gun properly. Now you know how to fix it. That right. Okay, I think I can stop this episode at this point, and yeah, in the next episode I'll work on changing the camera perspective from this corridor camera to the over the shoulder camera.